10 years ago, EKZ set a new strategy to invest more in power generation using renewable energy. At that time, investments in photovoltaic power plants was more expensive. That's why we have decided to make our first investment in onshore wind farms. The attractiveness of investments was much higher in our neighboring countries. That's why our first investment was in France, going to Germany and then to Portugal.
The project Pesma 2 is located in central Portugal, 7 kilometers away from city Fatima, between Porto and Lisbon. According to our knowledge, this is the wind park with the biggest wind turbine in Portugal. Another specific characteristic of this project is that we didn't have a typical general contractor. In other words, EKZ was responsible to manage and to coordinate work of different project stakeholders.
El mayor reto que hemos tenido aquí en este proyecto ha sido de la parte de transporte. Pues eso mismo, el transporte por estas carreteras aquí en estas zonas, con carreteras atravesando pueblos pequeñitos, carreteras estrechas, con muchas curvas, lo cual pues ha sido complicado. Hay muchos momentos que son emocionantes, siempre desde que llega el primer componente que izamos con la grúa, hasta el último que montamos. O sea, cada primera cosa que hacemos y cada última de cada fase son momentos emocionantes por eso mismo, porque son el primero y el último. Marbella 2 está compuesta por 6 turbinas V126 a 117 metros de altura, con un área de barrido de 126 metros.
Such a big rotor is actually very helpful to use more efficiently wind energy, which on the other side help us to produce more electrical energy at lower costs. The project Pesma 2 will produce 70 gigawatt-hours of electrical energy, which corresponds to average consumption of 17,000 Swiss households.
During the first 9 years of production, we have to exclusively sell the complete production under the Portuguese feed-in tariff scheme. After this period, EKZ has the freedom of choice to sell this production output freely on the market.
Para mí esto significa que una empresa como EKZ, que viene de Suiza, puede contribuir al medio ambiente en otro país como puede ser Portugal.
The wind farm Pesma 2 is located at one of our best wind sites in Europe. We could manage that we received an optimal design to use the wind resources efficiency. So we receive a maximum output based on the applied wind resources.